Hey, this is Mr. H. Hey, I was going to wait until I got my iPad to do this question, but I'm going to actually try to do it with the tools from Zoom, and hopefully this will be good enough. And the reason I want to do this is because this is a 4-point question. Um, it's not good enough just to use the calculator to find this intersections because we need we need to try to get at least 2 to 3 points. So I'm going to show you how I would solve this. So basically, I have two equations. This is a circle, this is a line. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to use substitution. I'm going to get y by itself, and then I'm going to plug it into the first equation, and then I'm going to try to solve this either using the quadratic formula or factoring or something like that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. So this is going to cancel. I'm going to have y equals 2x minus 5. All right. So now, once I have that, I'm going to take this and substitute it in here. So here's what I'm going to have. I'm going to change colors. Let you see what I'm doing here. So this is going to be x squared plus, and inside this parentheses, I'm going to put in 2x minus 5. So it's going to be 2x minus 5 squared, and then it's going to be equal to 25. Now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to multiply this out. I'm going to use the box method. So I'm going to do the boxes over here just to show you what I'm doing. So this will be 2x plus minus 5. And over here, it'll be 2x to the first power minus 5. And then I just multiply. You multiply the coefficients, you add the exponents. So 2 times 2 is 4. This is going to be x squared. 2 times a negative 5 is going to be a negative 10. And it's going to be x to the first power. This is going to be the same. A negative 5 times 2 is going to be a negative 10. It's going to be x to the first power. And then a negative 5 times a negative 5 will be a positive 25. Now all I'm going to do is combine the like terms. The like terms are right here. A negative 10x plus a negative 10x is going to be a negative 20x. So here's what I'm going to have. So this will be 4x squared minus 20x to the first plus 25. So that's what I'm going to take and replace. So this is going to be x squared plus 4x squared minus 20x to the first plus 25 equals 25. Now, I can combine like terms. So this is going to be, I'm going to change colors again. So this is going to be 5x squared, because this is a 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. The x squares are the same. And this will be minus 20x to the first. Now, here's the thing. I want to get everything on the left-hand side. So I would subtract 25 from this side. And this is going to be 0. And I can subtract 25 from this side. And this is going to be 0. So this cancels out. So basically, this is what we're left with. So now all I have to do is factor this. And the easy way to do that is to factor out 5x. So this is going to be 5x. And this will be 1x minus 4 equals 0. So I have two solutions. So one of the solutions is going to be 5x equals 0. So that means x equals 0. That's one solution, or one x value. And then the other one is going to be 1x minus 4 is equal to 0. And that's going to be 1x equals 4. So it's going to be 1x equals 4. Boom. Now, so all I would do is I would go back to one of these equations. Now, actually, I'm going to put it in here. If y plus 5 equals 2 times 0, so this will be 0, y is equal to a negative 5. So the y value, where is the y value? How come I can't write? How come I am not able to write? What happened to my pencil? Let's go here. I don't want that, I want this. So this is going to be, I want this. So this is going to be y, this is going to be y equals a negative 5. And then I do the same thing. I take this 4 and I plug it in here. So this is going to be y plus 5 equals 8. Subtract 5 from both sides, so y equals 3. So for this one, it's going to be this. So my coordinates are 0, negative 5, and then this one will be 4, 3. And if we go back to the calculator, we did this, you can see, well, you can see that the two, I'm going to clear this. You can see that the intersection is 0, negative 5, and 4, 3, which is what we calculated. So we know that they're right. And boop, 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 boop. That would be it. That's what you're doing. To get 4 points, that's how you would do it. Gonna stop and post this.